Welcome! If you want to save money on hosting, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, the most important thing, there are two ways to get a discount on Hostinger. You can use a coupon code, which gives you 10% off, or you can use the special partnership link in my description, which gives you 20% off. The link is the better choice, and I'll show you how to use it in a moment. For this video, I'm showing you an example with business hosting, but you can apply this to any hosting or plan, including VPS, cloud, website builder, and more. Next, choose your plan duration wisely. The longer the duration, the bigger your savings. I chose 48 months and received a free domain name plus 3 extra months at no cost. Here's a simple comparison to help you understand. Paying month by month or year by year costs much more in the long run. For example, 1 year of business hosting cost $41, but the renewal was around $95. A full 4-year plan cost only $108 total, so buying for 4 years saved a huge amount of money. Here's how to get started. Go to the description or comment section of this video and find the link for your country. Every country has its own link that shows prices in your local currency and language. Click your country's link and you'll be taken directly to Hostinger's website. From there, scroll down to see the available plans or use the top menu to choose your service type. Select the plan you want and proceed to checkout. One helpful tip, use an email address that has never been registered on Hostinger before. This helps make sure you receive the full new customer discount. That's all there is to it. Check the comments for your country's link and enjoy the savings. Happy hosting or hosting!